Are you ready for a change? Fed up with trading all of your time for money? Ready to learn how to build online income streams that don't depend on you working all the time? Well, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how you could achieve that by following a tried and tested blueprint, the one I followed, even if you've got no prior knowledge or experience, just like me 18 months ago. When you click the button below, I'll send you all the details. It's a total game changer, building digital assets instead of trading time for money. But what do I mean by a digital asset? Enough of the jargon. Come on, what does it actually look like? Well, let me give you a few examples from people who've utilized this framework to build their online success or their digital asset. It could be a membership website around a passion, an interest, or a problem, like choir singing, van life, or perhaps a fertility challenge. Or it could be promoting your existing business, or learning how to create a YouTube ad or a Facebook ad, promoting a training program, or maybe it's a website selling physical products. The thing I love about this framework is it doesn't force you down any one route. It takes you on a journey of discovery to find your perfect niche, the thing that will suit you down to the ground, and then how to turn it into a viable offer. The result is you build something you're really proud of and are passionate about, and therefore far more likely to be successful at promoting. And yet I hear your doubts flooding in. How could I do that? How difficult is it really? Am I too old? I've got little or no online experience. All very legitimate questions and ones that I asked myself. And yet the thing I've discovered and the beauty of this program is that it's a step-by-step framework and you can learn everything you need along the way. Tech's getting easier all the time and your life experiences are actually to your advantage. Anyone can do this, provided they're open to learning something new. And the thing that's been so exciting for me personally, and I think one you'll find too, is I've been able to build my online offer in a relatively short space of time and smash that myth that the only way to build a viable retirement income is through decades of hard saving. Well, I've done the equivalent of that inside 18 months, and now I have a future to look forward to that I thought I'd lost forever. This is so exciting. And so how about you? Why not you? I've given you a glimpse of what this could look like, a glimpse of what I've achieved. And I need to remind you, I'm no one special. I just followed the blueprint that you could have your hands on today. And there's no reason why you couldn't achieve similar results to me, or maybe even better. So why don't you click the button? I'll send you some videos where my mentor Stuart will take you on a deep dive about what this thing actually looks like. Why not take a look? You've got absolutely nothing to lose, but perhaps you've got everything to gain. Come on, click that button to learn more, and I'll see you on the other side.